So let's not let it go away. This platform tax is the call on you to come up. So when we do it, it becomes the African product. And we stop the complaint we have and others are taking the narrative away. So that will not get the narrative to be told. That is what we want to achieve. And tax is just a platform in terms of getting us all together to create this family, we will do the network, and then we will then invest in the digital platform that will then be what hopefully.